G'day, Brett here, Boating New Zealand magazine. Well, today we've got something a little bit different. We've got the new Dodge Ram 2025 Rebel Hurricane. This thing does not feature the legendary Hemi V8 though. It's got an inline-6 cylinder. Is it still any good? Let's find out. So this full-size pickup has an inline-6 cylinder, 3 litre, twin-turbocharged petrol engine. It's got 2 small turbos. The turbos each run 3 cylinders. That gives you a much wider torque band. We've got 18-inch alloys. We've got a spray-coated tray. A very generous cabin. Contrasting leather upholstery. There's a 14-inch multifunction display for the driver and a 10-inch display for the passenger. Panoramic sunroof and a Harman Kardon 19 speaker sound system. Very impressive actually. We've got contrasting burgundy and black leather in here. The fit and finish and quality of the interior is very nice. This new 6-cylinder engine is putting out more power and more torque than the old Hemi V8 did. It's giving 313 kilowatts of power and 635 newton meters of torque. And there is actually a high power version that'll give you 403 kilowatts. It has center and rear diff lockers. This is the off-road focused model. It's got a 1-inch lift kit and it's got Bilstein shocks. You'll notice there are no side steps. Today we've come down to the Coromandel to tow and launch Exo Defender 9. It's a fairly substantial boat. It's coming in at a little over 3,500 kilos, plus fuel, plus crew. It was a good test for the Ram. On the drive down from Auckland, the Ram was very well behaved on the road. It drives exceptionally well for a truck of its size. The cabin is very refined. The engine is very quiet. There was very low cabin noise. It was a very pleasant place to be this morning. The turning circle matches the scale of the vehicle. It's fairly large. An electric back window. Controls are all up in the console above your head. One thing we did note, the A-pillars are very wide, so they do affect visibility a little bit. But on the positive side, the wing mirrors are fantastic. They're quite large and they stand out quite a long way from the vehicle. So for towing, they give you fantastic visibility. The size and resolution of the reversing camera is awesome, very impressive. It made lining up for the trailer tow ball a lot easier. So we've got a dual magnetic car charger set up here. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android. In the center console, we have acres and acres of storage. And there is even more storage in the passenger footwell in the rear. Handy metal step for climbing up and accessing the tray. Electric tailgate. The name Hurricane refers to the new engine for 2025 powering the entire Ram 1500 range. It's a 6-cylinder, twin-turbo, 3-litre inline engine. Inline engines are renowned for producing plenty of torque, and this one's no exception. This one puts out 635 newton meters of torque. So this truck weighs in at 2,548 kilograms. It has a GVM of 3,220 kilograms. So that means you can have 672 kilos of payload either in the tray or in the cabin. Your maximum gross combination mass, which means the combination of the vehicle plus whatever you're towing, is 7,711 kilograms. The new Ram 1500 Rebel Hurricane proves that fewer cylinders don't mean less muscle.
The twin-turbo inline-six delivers more power, better torque and improved refinement, all wrapped in a seriously capable towing package. For Boaties needing a vehicle that can haul a heavy rig, cruise in comfort and still turn heads at the ramp, the Hurricane more than lives up to its name.